Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make Nigerian puff puff. Please, after watching, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be aware whenever I upload a new video. The ingredients for this puff puff are 500 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 50 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 7 grams of yeast. Now let's start. The first thing is to pour in your flour. Followed by your nutmeg, your sugar, salt, and the dry yeast. Mix everything together. And start adding warm water bit by bit. This is the perfect consistency you are looking for. I used a total of 350 milliliters of warm water. First, I will cover it with a foil. Then a kitchen towel, and allow to rest for 1 hour. Here is our batter after resting for 1 hour. You can see it has doubled in size. Don't forget to deflate it before frying. I have preheated my oil. Now it is time to start dropping in the batter. Keep on stirring it so that it will fry well on both sides. Now it is time to take it out of the oil. This is the final result of our puff puff. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.